Model, 2021 Peugeot Boxer 2.2 335 BlueHDi 140S and S6 SPEED Pro L3H2 noisy gearbox starts and drives body, white, fridge mileage, 128486 MOT, the 11th of June 2025 engine, 2179 cc/dw12 BlueHDi 140 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Dennis's fantastic starts and runs perfectly. Unfortunately the gearbox is whining in most gears, so the gearbox will need repairing or replacing. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, sat-nav, air-con, electric windows, reversing camera, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07